you with the history of Air Force Station Ambala.
Sure. Air Force Station Ambala, the oldest base of Indian Air Force, has a glorious past and vibrant present. Being the oldest air base, Air Force Station Ambala has a rich past. Since its formation in 1919 as Camp Ambala, it has been a glorious journey of 100+1 years. Almost all stalwarts of Indian Air Force have had an association with Ambala at some point of time. These include First Indian Chief of Indian Air Force, Air Marshal Subrata Mukherjee, Order of British Empire, and Marshal of Air Force Arjun Singh, Distinguished Flying Cross. So also, the present Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadoria, PVSM, AVSM, VM, ADC. The headquarters of Royal Indian Air Force were established at Ambala on 1st April 1920. The 4th Corps Recce Wing was also located at Ambala along with number 28 and number 31 Squadron flying F-2Bs on Army cooperation tasks. Later, headquarters Royal Indian Air Force moved to Raisina Hills, Delhi in 1923. The early role of Royal Indian Air Force at Ambala was to carry out reconnaissance and provide air cover for scouts and army columns moving in northwest frontier province. Number 28 Squadron was involved in operations alongside army to subdue tribal disturbances. On 18 June 1938, number 1 Squadron Royal Indian Air Force moved from Brig Road, Karachi to its permanent location at Ambala. With this, Ambala became the training ground for many stalwarts of Indian Air Force, thereby giving the shape to present-day Air Force. It can also be rightly said that from this date onwards, the destiny of Indian Air Force and Ambala got interlinked.
One of the most important units at the station was number 1 Services Flying Training School, which was established 3rd October 1940 for intermediate and advanced training of the aircrew of the Indian Air Force. The unit was renamed to number 1 Service Flying Training School on 21st July 1941. In December 1940, the number 1 SFTS was rechristened as Advanced Flying Training School. Though the task of the school remained same, some courses were removed due to reduced strength of pupil pilots. The main difference from number 1 SFTS was that all instructions and pupils were Indians. While training remained the main commitment of the station, Army Cooperation Aircraft
17 Squadron crest consists of a stretched bow with a golden arrow pointing heavenwards and a soaring eagle with stretched wings beckoned by the blue skies. The squadron motto, Udyam Ajasrama, and the crest was formally sanctioned by the Chief of Air Staff on 3rd November 1961. The motto, Udyam Ajasrama, has been taken from the Rig Veda and means ever rising skywards. An apt motto.
Command of the Air Force Station Ambala was handed over to Group Captain Arjun Singh, Distinguished Flying Cross, by Captain R.E. Bain on 23rd August 1947.
The eagle symbolizes